àṣàṣì bandit kó dá àwọn ọmọ wa padà. Ẹ̀yin pásítọ̀ tẹ́ mọ bó ṣe ń jẹ́ tọ́lọ́run fún ṣe. Ẹ dìde ẹ bá wa dá àwọn ọmọ wa padà o. Ìyà yìí pa àwọn ọmọ yóò lẹ́sẹ̀ lọ́rùn.
Ẹsẹ̀ tó ṣẹ̀ tó
wọ́n lẹ́sùn ni o.
wọ́n ṣẹ̀ tó wọ́n kàwé. Ní Nàìjíríà wa ẹni tó bá kàwé ò jẹ́ kankan. Àtúrọ̀ ọmọ níwèé ó dọ̀rọ̀. Àárọ̀ ọmọ níwèé ó dọ̀rọ̀ ẹ káwọn ọmọ wa sílẹ̀. 22 days lẹ́nìí. Ẹni lọ́pẹ́ 22 days kí ló ń jẹ kí ló ń mu. Kí làwọn ọmọ yẹn ń jẹ kí ló ń mu. 22 days. Ọmọ ọdún méjì kó ti máa pààyàn lójú ẹ̀. Ẹ kó wa sílẹ̀ ìjọba ẹ̀bẹ̀ lábẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹ bá wa kó wọn lé ẹjọ́ wọn yóò dìde. Ẹ jọ gbogbo ẹbí ọláyé. Ẹ wo tóṣù mẹ́sàn-án. Ẹ wo dẹ́kun náà. Ẹ kó wọn wọ ìsílẹ̀. Ẹ kó wọn lọ.
Bring back our children. This process we are doing is for the government to know that our children they are suffering. And the people are there, the governor is there, the president is there, they are saying nothing. Engage the security architecture. Let them go to where these people are, let them get them arrested and bring back our children. We are not fighting the government. We are not discussing the activities of the federal government or the government of President Ahmed Tinubu. All we are saying is bring back our children. We elected you, Mr. President. The governor of Oyo State, Governor Seyi Makinde, we elected you. We want our children back. Bring back, we cannot sleep. Our mothers are crying. Our wives are crying. Bring back our children. That is all we ask you for. It's not too much. Thank you. Thank you.
For Nigeria, for good country like this, una dey kill us like this. Una dey kill us like this. Wetin we do for una? Wetin we do? Wetin be our offense? The only offense those children commit say dey born
no be run anything but God go judge you. God go judge everybody. Ogun ma pa yin ni. No we dey clear.
Yeah, people. Yeah, country. What did we do to deserve this? What did we do to deserve this in this country? What have we done? The only thing, the only our offense for this country is the only offense is the 3 years old.
Our children. Àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ wọn tó fẹ́ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ wọn dàbí Chibok girls. Ẹ wo àwọn ọmọ ìbáyìí sìn. Àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké, àwọn ọmọ tí ò tí tó nǹkan kan. Kí èèyàn kan wá ní ọmọ mẹ́rin tí ìyàwó ọmọ ẹ̀ bí, grandchildren ẹ̀ mẹ́rin ni wọ́n kó lọ. Ètò mẹ́yọ ọkàn gan èwo ló yẹ kán mú. Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè má mà jà ṣàgbákò ìlú wa yìí nítorí Ọlọ́run a máa wá rúgbò. Ẹ wá ń fẹ̀mí àwọn èèyàn ta káìtì. Wọ́n fẹ̀mí àwọn èèyàn ṣe politics nítorí Ọlọ́run ṣàánú wa gbà wá.